to biology class. Last class we have seen cell wall and plasma membrane. Today we are going to see the cytoplasm. Okay, this is a plant cell and animal cell, and you can find the cell wall is here, cell wall, but cell wall is absent in animal cell. Cell membrane is inside. Cell membrane is inside, right? Inner membrane is cell membrane, which is common for animals also, right? Both the animal and plant cells have a cell membrane. These two we studied already. Now we are going to see the liquid part, the fluid part of the cell. That is called as a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. So this is again cytoplasm. This cytoplasm is the fluid part of the cell. Sorry, into the cytoplasm only all the organelles are placed. Understand? Or organelles are suspended in the cytoplasm. Now, it is the nature of cytoplasm. Actually, the cytoplasm is a semi-solid or jelly-like structure. Okay. The only function or the major function of the cytoplasm is to hold the organelles inside, right? Okay. Now we are going to see the next important structure. We call it as the nucleus, right? Nucleus. Yeah, this is the nucleus. Here again, nucleus. Right. So before that, you must know structures. What is the name given to the structures found in the cytoplasm? The structures which are found, there are many structures you can find, right? Here in animal cell, here also you can find so many structures. The structures found in the cytoplasm of cell is called as organelle. Organelle, understand? Cell organelle, otherwise cell organelle. So many cell organelles, understand? Okay. So the structures found inside the cytoplasm are called as cell organelles, understand? So all these organelles one by one we are going to see. I am going to tell you the organelles includes the nucleus I said, okay. Then this is called as endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. And then this is Golgi apparatus. Then mitochondrion. Mitochondrion singular, mitochondria plural. Okay. Ribosomes. Right? Yeah, lysosomes. Etc. These are all the structures found in a cell. Okay, and apart from this, here in plant cell you will find a large vacuole. Also, you will find the chloroplast. Okay. This large vacuole and chloroplast are found only in plant cell, which is not found in animal cell. Okay, right. Now we are going to see nucleus. Understand? So nucleus is found in the center of a cell. Whereas if you find animal cells, most of the time this nucleus is pushed towards one corner because of the presence of a large vacuole. Now we are going to see the structure of nucleus in detail. So I'll rub this first, and I wanted to draw a nucleus. Okay, so nucleus is found in the center of an animal cell. If you find, it is found in the center. The nucleus, shape of nucleus. Nucleus is spherical in shape, found in the center of the cell. And the nucleus is covered by a double-walled membrane. Okay, that is called nuclear membrane. Yes, and inside which you will find the fluid part called as nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm, and you will find the inside a spherical structure again. This is actually called as nucleolus. Then you can find a coiled structure. Okay, this is called as chromatin reticulum. Right, and this nuclear membrane is double walled. In between you can find minute pores. This pores, this is called as nuclear pore. Nuclear pore. Right. So this is what the structure of nucleus. Now you must know what is the role of this nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is a boundary, yes, which separates this membrane. Nuclear membrane will separate the nuclear material called as chromatin reticulum from the cytoplasm. Okay, it separates. Right? This will separate. Okay, so what is chromatin reticulum? Chromatin reticulum is nothing but chromosomes, understand? Usually chromosomes will be coiled together from like a coiled thread, okay, coiled thread before cell division. But just before cell division or a cell wanted to divide, okay, when it wants to divide, reticulum is always a thread-like structure found inside the cell. Before cell division, just before cell division, the this reticulum will unwind and become separate thread-like structures like this. Okay, like separate threads, and this is called as individual chromosomes, right? Okay, so when we see the structure of a chromosome, single chromosome, usually the structure of single chromosome will be like this, right? Yeah. Two arms, and these two arms will be connected in a center, a sound structure called centromere, and the two arms are called as chromatids. Okay, so this is a structure of a single chromosome. So now we want to know how many chromosomes are found in organisms. So we have, human beings have 46 chromosomes, right? Out of 46, these 44 chromosomes are called the body chromosomes, and the 2 chromosomes are called the sex chromosomes. So 46 chromosomes are found. And these chromosomes are always in pairs, understand? Otherwise you say 23 pairs. So we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, 23 pairs of chromosomes. This chromosomes actually, I told you pair, no? This, yeah, like this. The chromosomes are same size, okay, and shape, will pair always like this. 23 we have, 23 pairs. So this one pair, we call it as homologous chromosome, homologous chromosome. Right now, yes. So all the human 23 pairs of chromosomes are found in all the cells except sperm and egg. Sperm and egg will have only 23 chromosomes. There is no pair. Okay, 23 chromosomes. Sperm has 23 and egg also has 23 chromosomes. All other body cells have 46 chromosomes. Understand? Okay. Now this role. What is the role of this chromosome? Chromosomes are actually called as the structure or vehicle which carries the hereditary information from parents to offsprings. Now, what is the what does the chromosome made of? Okay, so chromosomes are made up of, in single chromosome. If you see, this chromosome is made up of DNA. What do you mean by DNA? DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. So deoxyribonucleic acid is the component chromosome. The chromosome is fully made up of that. And let's see the shape of the, this DNA. DNA will be a double helical structure, right? Yeah, like a ladder it will be. Yes. You can find, fine. Like this. Okay, so a double helical structure. And like helix you can find, just like steps, no? You can find here also. Chromosomes also possess, or DNA also possess like this. And each segment, right? Each segment of one segment, this is one segment, this is another segment, right? Each segment of DNA is called as gene. So this is the gene is the actual unit of inheritance of characters, right? So one chromosome, one pair will have a set of informations throughout, and the same way 23 pairs of chromosomes have different information to form a new individual, understand, to form a new individual, or all the information to make a body design is imprinted in the DNA, and this DNA only will give all the information necessary for the formation of a new organisms, understand. So actual unit of the inheritance of characteristics is the genes. Okay, yeah. Now I hope you have understood the importance of nucleus, right? Right. So the chromosomes are very important. Each part of the nucleus is very, very important. And now you see the nucleolus. Nucleolus is again a small spherical shaped structure, and this nucleus is also nucleolus helps in the formation of protein. Okay, so this helps in protein synthesis, formation or synthesis of protein, and the nucleolus helps in the synthesis of protein. That's all about nucleus. I hope you understood. Now we are going to see the next very important structure as the endoplasmic reticulum. Yeah. Endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Now I'm sorry, I've rubbed the diagram. And this endoplasmic reticulum is just like a network. Yeah. You can find this endoplasmic reticulum surrounding the nucleus. Understand? Nucleus is surrounded by a network of just like tubular structures. Understand? This is actually called as endoplasmic reticulum. This is again found inside the cell. Okay, inside the cell. So this endoplasmic reticulum is found around the nucleus. Understand? Okay, it is found nearer to the nucleus. They are actually long tubular structures and forms a framework of a cell. And now the endoplasmic reticulum actually are of two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Yes, this endoplasmic reticulum are of two types. Yes, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum we call it as RER. Okay, right? This is called as SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now this rough endoplasmic and smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays very important role actually. So when do we say endoplasmic reticulum as rough endoplasmic reticulum? Now when the ribosomes, understand, when ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, it is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum, right? You can go through the picture of the cell, animal or plant animal cell, where you will find the network of tubular structure. It is also in the textbook, I hope. Okay, there the first long tubular structure where the endoplasmic, ribosomes are attached, then it is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosomes are not there, then it is called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum, right? So two very important forms. So this shows that ribosomes are not always attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Understand? Now we must know the functions of endoplasmic reticulum, right? Rough endoplasmic. So when the ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, and this is involved in protein synthesis. Ribosomes helps in the synthesis of protein. Understand? Okay, so rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in protein synthesis, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the synthesis of lipids. Understand? Okay. So apart from that, this smooth endoplasmic reticulum also helps in detoxifying any toxic substances that enter in the body, especially the cells of the liver. Understand? Cells of the liver contains lot of this endoplasmic reticulum, and this endoplasmic reticulum helps in the breaking down of toxic substances into non-toxic ones. Understand? That's the major role of it, right? So this is all about the endoplasmic reticulum. Now functions of endoplasmic reticulum. When you see, first thing, the endoplasmic reticulum helps, since it is connected to the nucleus, this endoplasmic reticulum helps in the transfer of materials from the cytoplasm into the nucleus, and also from the nucleus into the cytoplasm. This is acting as a passage between the cytoplasm and the nucleus, and nucleus into cytoplasm. Okay, that is a very important function of endoplasmic reticulum. And also I told you they are giving a framework of a cell, because it forms a covers a larger area of a cell and gives a particular shape. And the skeleton can be say like a bone, right? It is giving a proper shape to animal cell. And also this endoplasmic reticulum helps in, I told you smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the detoxification of toxic substances, especially in the liver cells. This happens in liver cells. Okay, children, this is all about endoplasmic reticulum. Understood? Right? So we studied nucleus, also we studied endoplasmic reticulum. Understand? Then you will think, okay, just I wanted to tell you just before, during nucleus, when I was taking nucleus, I was supposed to say, but I forgot. Anyhow, we are going to see prokaryotes and eukaryotes. This is not new to you because you studied in 8th standard also, but still we recollect that. Okay, prokaryotes. Okay, which organisms we call prokaryote or prokaryotic organisms? Prokaryotes are organisms which do not have a proper nucleus. Okay, that means their genetic material, the chromosome, is present in the cytoplasm itself. Understand? Say for example, bacteria, right? Bacteria, if you take a bacteria, this is a bacterium, rod-shaped one, and you can find the genetic material found in the cytoplasm itself. Understand? Okay. So if the genetic material or the chromosome is not separated from the cytoplasm by a nuclear membrane, then this genetic material is called as nucleoid. Okay. Nucleoid means the nucleus is not actually a nucleus. That means there is no membrane bound organelle. Only the chromosome is found in the cytoplasm. Okay. So bacteria are prokaryotes. Understand? Because there is no proper nucleus in the nucleus. In the bacteria. And also you can find blue, green, and pale. These are examples of prokaryotic. Then what about the other one? Eukaryotes. Okay. Eukaryotes are true nucleus. They have true nucleus, right? That means their cytoplasm, they have a example, amoeba I can give you, all other organisms including human beings, we are all eukaryotes. Here in amoeba you can find this is a nucleus, okay, nuclear membrane is separating the nuclear material chromosome from the cytoplasm, understand? So this one we call it as a proper nucleus, and this proper nucleus is present in a cell, then that cell is called as eukaryote or eukaryotic cell. Right? These are the differences. When you see then the number of chromosomes, understand? When you see the number of chromosomes, prokaryotes are only one, whereas eukaryotes are many number. Okay? Human beings, how many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes. Like that, each species of organism have different numbers. Understand? Right? Then the size also. Okay? The size of the prokaryotes will be very small, whereas the eukaryotes are, though they are small, but still they will be bigger than prokaryotes. Now, one more we can think of viruses. What about viruses then? Viruses do not have any membrane bound organelles, right? No membrane bound organelles are found, no organelles are found, including chromosome, nothing. Only the RNA or DNA, only one strand will be there. Okay, so but there is no other organelles covered to it, and so they are neither called as plant or animal or living or non-living. We cannot consider that. They can only multiply with the help of the genome or chromosomes or the nucleic acids with the host one. Okay, for example, any organism like corona. Just think of corona. So corona, when it comes out of a body, it cannot have any ability to multiply, reproduce. Okay, it becomes harmless. But once it enters our body, what happens? It mingles with the cells of our cells and start multiplying. Understand? Okay, that is what virus is. Okay. So this I wanted to tell you the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So we have just completed cytoplasm I took, nucleus I took, endoplasmic reticulum I took, and also this prokaryotes and eukaryotes also just recollect. Anyhow, we'll finish this topic now. Please go through this, prepare yourself, write notes, draw diagram wherever needed. And if you don't have any notebook, please use rough notebooks or any papers. You can attach those papers later with your classwork. Don't waste time. Okay, so prepare well, children, read well. You will have tests soon. Understand? Okay? Yes. See you next class. Bye.